The Extradition Act is in existence, and it says clearly that once the person who is subject of the request for extradition is facing trial in the local jurisdiction, you cannot. He has to go through that process. So if Abba Kyari is charged to court by NDLA or the Nigeria police, that is the end of the extradition for now. If the story we have seen is correct, that Mr. Kyari is part of a cartel, a drug cartel, between Nigeria, Ethiopia, Brazil, and he's been caught red-handed as shown in the video, surely he has to go through trial. And that process is that he has to be disengaged from the Nigeria police first. Not suspended? No, if there is such weighty allegation, he has to go through the room trial within the police system. That's what the law requires. You go through the police disciplinary process first, because you have to derobe him as a serving officer. The same with all the military agencies. And you also recall the case of Ngajiwa and Federal Republic of Nigeria, where a serving judge was alleged to be involved in corruption. And the Court of Appeal said, look, so long as he's still a serving judicial officer, you need to go through the National Judicial Council and derobe him first. And then he come and face trial. It's the same thing with so he has to go through the room trial. He'll be dismissed from the force, and then you hand him over to the NDLA as an ordinary Nigerian.
But he's with the NDLA now, according to NDLA.
There has to be some collaboration. He can do the trial. It's not a hard and fast rule.
Meanwhile, a former AIG of Police, Austin Iwa, attributes the failings to the weakness of the Police Council.
This is supposed to be responsible to the Police Council that has been created by the Constitution of Nigeria, but that council doesn't operate. The council is supposed to be responsible for the administration of the Nigerian police, the supervision and the management of the police, but it never works. It never works. I mean, the Police Council is like a board of directors that charts the future of any organization. But unfortunately, the police is left out to operate on its own. And secondly, on the basis of funding, there is nothing in the police, in the core policing function that is funded by government. Investigation is not funded. Core aspects of police work are not funded at all.